how to hide offensive comments on Instagram. Firstly, when you get in a file selection like that one, you need to go right here into your profile selection, go on the three dots on your right upper side, select settings on the first section, and then from here go for privacy on the fourth place right down. And as you can see right here, you have all these selections. Just scroll down, go for comments, and right here, as you can see, have allow comments from and block comments from. If you go for a comment section, for example, from allow, you can check over and select all of them that you want to get the same site. But if you want to get that no for your site selection, which is for offensive comments, what you're gonna do simply from here, as you go hidden words, you can get to your site selection, which is for hide comments. Comments that may be offensive will be hidden in a separate section of your posts, reels, lives, and IGTV. Yeah, right from here you can simply hide that offensive comment simply by going and turning off that selection and getting to the main point.